Welcome to the step-by-step video tutorial that will reveal the secrets to making $3,493 commissions without any selling involved. The first step is to choose the right passive income stream that aligns with your interests and expertise. Options include affiliate marketing, rental properties, and online courses. Next, you'll need to build your passive income system. This involves setting up lead generation strategies, creating sales funnels, and implementing automated processes to generate income on Autopilot. The final step is to drive traffic to your passive income system. This can be done through strategies like social media marketing, content creation, and search engine optimization to attract targeted traffic. Now that you know the secrets to making $3,493 commissions without any selling involved, it's time to start earning passive income today.